Okay, good day. This is Sergey once again, and I'm gonna teach you now about arcs and inscribed angles. Okay, so we have now inscribed angle intercepted arc theorem. Okay, so the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So as you can see in the given figure, okay, so the intercepted arc, the inscribed angle here is 45 degrees. Ayan. So the inscribed angle is 45 degrees. This one is the inscribed angle. And this one is the intercepted arc. Okay, so ito yung kanyang intercepted arc. So the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. So kalahati lang. Yung ating inscribed angle ay kalahati lang ng kanyang intercepted arc. Okay, so do angle OLE and angle OVE intercept the same arc? Yes. Okay, yes. So the answer here is yes. They intercept the same arc, which is arc OE. Ito, si arc OE. So how would you compare the measure of angle OLE and angle OVE? Okay. Kung ano yung measure ng iyong central angle, yun din ang magiging measure ng kanyang intercepted arc, di ba? Then ang measure naman ng ating inscribed angle ay kalahati lang ng measure ng kanyang intercepted arc. So therefore here, kung pareho lang ng intercepted arc ang ating inscribed angle at ang ating central angle, so kalahati lang yung ating inscribed angle ng ating central angle, ng measure ng ating central angle. Kalahati lang siya, yung inscribed angle. So para mahanap mo yung measure ng central angle, times 2 mo lang kung given yung ating inscribed angle. Kung sila ay pareho ng intercepted arc. Okay? So dito, ang measure ng ating central angle ay 90 degrees also. Next, okay, so the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of a central angle if and only if they intercept the same arc. Ayan, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung pareho lang sila ng in-intercept na arc, ibig sabihin yung ating inscribed angle ay kalahati lang ng ating central angle. So therefore, yung central angle natin dito ay 90 degrees also. Okay, so let's connect point O and point E. Ayan. Is angle LOE also an inscribed angle? LOE, ito. Angle LOE. Ay, sorry. Nalinyahan ko pa. Okay, angle LOE. Ito. Is it inscribed angle also? Okay, of course, yes. That is an inscribed angle also. Okay, so angle LOE is an inscribed angle. Why? Okay, it is an inscribed angle because, ayan, mayroon siyang, yung kanyang sides ay 2 chords, tapos ang kanyang central, ang kanyang angle ay yung kanyang gitna or yung point O, yung vertex ng ating inscribed angle ay nasa circumference ng ating circle. So na-met niya naman yung mga rules para siya ay tawaging isang inscribed angle. Okay, so yung kanyang 2 sides ay chord, tapos ang kanyang vertex ay nasa circumference ng ating circle, yung point O. Kaya siya naging isang inscribed angle also. Intercepted arc of angle LO. What is the intercepted arc of angle LOE? So the intercepted arc of angle LOE is arc LE. Itong arc LE. and arc LE is a semicircle. So therefore, the measure of arc LE is 180 degrees. Kasi semicircle siya eh. And what do you think will be the measure of angle LOE? So kagaya nga ng sinabi ko kanina, yung measure ng ating inscribed angle ay kalahati lang ng measure ng ating ng kanyang intercepted arc. So if the intercepted arc is 180 degrees, so therefore, itong ating inscribed angle na angle LOE is 90 degrees. An angle inscribed, ito tandaan ninyo class ha, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Ayan. So, kung ang kanyang inscribed, kung ang kanyang intercepted arc ay semicircle, therefore yung ating inscribed angle is a right angle. Okay, so we have here quadrilateral FAIT is inscribed in circle H. The measure of angle AFT is 75 degrees. This one, AFT. And the measure of angle FTI. FTI naman ay ito, which is 98 degrees. Okay, find the measure of angle TIA. TIA. Ito yung TIA. And angle FAI. Ito naman yung FAI. Okay, dito class, if inscribed is, if a quadrilateral is inscribed, yung quadrilateral natin naka-inscribe siya sa ating circle, okay, the measure of the two opposite angle of our quadrilateral, kasi quadrilateral ito naka-inscribe eh. Okay, if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, the measure of the two opposite angle of our quadrilateral is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, yung two opposite angle niya ha, is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, itong ano yung opposite angle ng angle TIA? That is 75 degrees, right? So 180 minus 75 is 105 degrees. Okay, so therefore it is 105 degrees. And the measure naman of angle FAI, so since ang kanyang opposite angle ay 98 degrees, so 180 minus 98 is 82 degrees. Ayan. Okay, so the measure of angle TIA is, the measure of angle TIA is equal to 105 degrees. And the measure of angle FAI is 82 degrees. Okay? Next. Okay, so example. Find the measure of angle X in the following circles. Ayan class, tingnan ninyo mabuti ha. Okay, find the measure of angle X. Okay, so since ang ating central angle ay 78 degrees and they have the same intercepted arc, ayan, intercepted arc, which is the measure of this is 78 degrees also. So divide by 2 ka lang, 78 divided by 2 is 39 degrees. The measure of our angle X or the inscribed angle. Number 2. Okay, find the measure of angle X in number 2 and also in number 3. Okay, so but before we proceed to number 3, let's answer muna all together yung number 2. Okay, dito sa number 2 class, as you can see, ito ay 58 degrees. So therefore, ang kanyang intercepted arc, ito, times 2 mo lang yan. Okay, 58 degrees times 2 is 116 degrees. Okay, di ba ito ay isang semicircle? Tingnan nyo. Pag pinag-connect natin to, ito ay isang semicircle. So, 180 minus 116 is 60. 64 degrees. Okay, so the measure of angle X is, i-divide mo lang sa 2 yung ating 64. So 32 degrees ang measure ni angle X. 32 degrees. Okay, in number 3 naman, the measure, okay, so ang inscribed natin dito, inscribed angle at central angle ay isa lang yung kanilang intercepted arc. Iisa lang ang kanilang intercepted arc. Okay? So since it is 37 degrees, so the intercepted arc is 37 degrees also. Okay, so to find the measure of angle X, which is the central angle, ito yung central angle yung ating hinahanap dito. So times 37 degrees times 2. Times 2 yan. Okay, so 37 degrees times 2 is 74 degrees. Okay, so 74 degrees is the measure of ng kanyang intercepted arc. 74 degrees. So the measure of angle X is, okay, angle X is 74 degrees also. Okay, ito, 74 degrees also. So times 2 mo lang yung ating inscribed kasi the same sila eh. 'Di ba, according sa rule kanina sa ating theorem, kapag iisa lang ang kanilang intercepted arc, times 2 mo lang yung ating inscribed, makukuha mo na ang measure ng ating central angle. Or pwede mong i-base dito sa intercepted arc. Ayan. Kunin mo yung intercepted arc, 74 degrees. So yun din ang measure ng central angle natin. 74 degrees. Okay, number 4. Okay, find the measure of angle X. So, kagaya sa number 3 kanina, iisa pa rin ang kanilang intercepted arc. Ito. So, iisa lang ang intercepted arc ni inscribed at ni central angle. Okay, so since it is 50 degrees, divide by 2 ka lang dyan. So, that is 25 degrees. The measure of angle X. So, the measure of our intercepted arc dito ay 50 degrees. So, divide by 2 ka lang. Makukuha mo ang 25 degrees. Number 5. Okay, so 48 degrees ito. Ito ang ating central angle. Central angle to. So, therefore, yung kanyang intercepted arc ay 48 degrees also. Okay, so since ito ay isang semicircle, kapag pinag-connect natin to, ayan, naging semicircle na siya. So, 180 minus 48 is 132 degrees. So, yung measure ng intercepted arc ng ating inscribed angle ay 132 degrees ito. Ayan. Yan ay 132 degrees. So, para makuha ang measure ni angle X, divide by 2. So, that is 66 degrees. The measure of our angle X. Okay, so evaluation. Given segment TA is a diameter, then arc TC is 110 degrees and the measure of angle TAO is 50 degrees. Find the measure of the following angles and arcs. Ayan, si arc CA and arc T. Then arc OA, arc TAC, arc TAO, angle TSC, angle TCA, angle CSA, angle ATO, and the last one is angle CTO. Okay, so that's all for this day. Thank you for listening.